Final video to fix Microsoft Outlook constantly logging out, because this issue interrupts your email workflow and stops you from staying connected. Are you using Outlook and noticing it keeps signing out or asking for your password repeatedly? This problem happens when account credentials are corrupted, cache data conflicts, or Outlook profile settings are broken. Sometimes background apps, outdated Office updates, or security policies also trigger repeated logouts without warning. Many users search YouTube or social media for fixes, but most solutions feel long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow. That only wastes time and adds frustration. On Rexish, I focus on simple and proven fixes, and today I will share a secret easy trick that stops Outlook from logging out constantly. This trick works because it repairs account credentials, clears cache data, and restores proper profile settings instead of changing random system files. You do not need advanced PC skills, risky commands, or extra software. You just apply one smart method that works on most Windows systems and Outlook versions. After this, Outlook stays signed in, emails sync properly, and logout issues disappear. Many viewers on Rexish already fix constant Outlook logouts using this exact trick. If you want a clear step-by-step tutorial that anyone can follow easily, comment yes below, and I will upload it to help you fix Microsoft Outlook constantly logging out for good.